Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're almost in double digits, which is crazy. Day 7, going strong. We're doing good. So, I just realized that lighting was so ugly of me. But, so today is a chill day. It is gloomy, it is dark, it is raining out. So today I think I'm just going to wash my brushes. I'm just going to wash my brushes. I'm gonna do laundry. So you guys are gonna do laundry with me. Yay. You guys are gonna do laundry with me. You guys are going to, I think I should cook breakfast. I think I kind of want sausages or something. Girl, you cooked nothing. You ate a banana. You didn't even eat sausage. Bye. So, I'm gonna do that. And then, I don't know what else I want to do. But I think today's just gonna be a lazy day, to be honest, because I have nothing to do. Yeah. So this is about it. I guess if you guys want to join me on this day, continue watching. I slept honestly really good last night. Like really good. So that's good. My hair's all over the place. I just think it's gonna be a day. I have to catch up on some Vlogmas vlogs because I skipped a lot of them last night. So yeah. I took a shower and everything. I'm not sure why the flash is going, but whatever. But I took a shower and everything, but I wanted to show you guys when I went to the mall. I've really been wanting to try Beauty Bakery, and I saw, like, I really want to try her beauty blender because a lot of people talk about it, and I just thought how cute this is. It's very creative and it's cute. Obviously, Beauty Bakery, and it's like eggs, and these are like $18, but they're so cute. They're just like pink and blue, and I don't know, they're just so small and so cute. I can't wait to try these, and thank God I have a lot of beauty blenders now. So yeah. I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm actually starving, so I'm about to go eat lunch real soon. Okay, so it's much later, but I'm getting lunch. I went out with my sister went out to get some McDonald's. I got the Big Mac with extra sauce, and I got some fries. And then I got coffee. She's so sweet. But yeah, so I'm still finishing Vlogmas. I'm still gotta clean. I already put a load of clothes in a wash. It's gonna dry it now. And then I still gotta wash my makeup brushes, and yeah, so I'll call you. I'll probably update you after that, and then yeah. So it is very much later. It is like 3 o'clock. I still have to wash dishes. I still have to wash my makeup brushes. I still have some things that I need to do. I've just been watching Vlogmas today, you know? I feel like it's a good day. It's been gloomy, so I feel like it's okay. Everyone deserves just a little small break. Sorry that these Vlogmas are not entertaining this year because, you know, pandemic, coronavirus, but whatever. But, not me still having stuff to do and not doing them. And I still am just in a process, you know? I think around 3:30, 4 o'clock, I think I'm gonna go wash my dishes now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know when it's gloomy out and you just don't want to do anything. It's like one of those days that I just want to be in the bed and I don't want to do anything. Like, I don't want to do anything. And, so yeah. I don't want to do anything today. But I kind of got to. But, yeah. And I'm feeling kind of like a little jittery a little bit, only because I literally had coffee earlier, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like I get more jittier off of Dunkin' coffee than I do with Starbucks. I think Dunkin' has more sugar than Starbucks do, I feel like. to me, but also I only drink the iced chai latte at Starbucks, and at Dunkin' I always get the caramel coffee, and their medium is like huge. Like I feel like their medium is like almost like a venti at Starbucks or something. Like it's huge, and it literally, if you're someone who doesn't drink coffee a lot, I don't drink it all day. Where I don't really, I just don't finish my coffee at Dunkin' as much. And today I actually finished it, so I'm feeling kind of like, I could tell my coffee high is like crashing on me a little bit. So yeah, that took me all day to drink it. But yeah, I just haven't been doing anything. Like I've just been catching up on Vlogmases, and I have so much clothes to, I have so much clothes to like fold, and I don't want to do it, but I know I got to. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and keep watching Vlogmas and just watch and just fold my laundry. That's what I'm gonna do. Fold laundry and keep watching videos, because why not? Like, do you ever guys like, I had coffee, so I'm talking a lot. So, but have you ever guys like just done that where, well, I think everybody does, like you either listen to a podcast while cleaning, or you listen to music, or you watch YouTube videos. I like to do that. I feel like it just get things faster. Like doing my makeup, I like to watch videos. So yeah, I just feel like it gets through it faster. Like if I watch, even doing my hair, because it takes about an hour to flat iron my hair, it literally does not feel as long. It just, but yeah, so that's my rant. I just, it's just a gloomy day. It's fine. I wore my Uggs out for the first time today, and it was amazing. I love it. I don't know, I keep talking about it, but I just love having a pair of Uggs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fold these clothes. So yeah, I washed my makeup brushes. They're all clean. One brush I had an issue with, like I think I was too heavy-handed with the soap, and the soap just would not come out. So I think we're good now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and have some leftovers because I'm hungry, and probably go ahead and edit this vlog. It's bad lighting. And probably go ahead and edit this vlog. And I've done nothing today, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And